1. Order of operations, BODMAS/PEMDAS. Rule, brackets first, then orders, powers, then divide and multiply, then add and subtract. Work left to right for divide/multiply, and again left to right for add/subtract. Example, 12 minus 4 divided by 2 times 3. Step 1. Do 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Step 2. Now 2 times 3 equals 6. Step 3. 12 minus 6 equals 6. Answer, 6. If you're unsure, add brackets to show the order. Example, 8 plus 4 times 3 minus 10 divided by 5 equals 12 times. 3 minus 2 equals 36 minus 2 equals 34. Common trap, doing everything left to right. Don't. Do divide or multiply before add or subtract. Quick check. If your steps change the order, add brackets and recheck. 2. Negative numbers, adding and subtracting. Think money. Positive equals cash you have. Negative equals debt. Example, minus 7 plus 12. You have 12 pounds, you owe 7 pounds. You'll end with 5 pounds. So minus 7 plus 12 equals 5. Subtracting a negative. 2 minuses turn into a plus. Example, 6 minus negative 2 is 6 plus 2 equals 8. Adding a negative is the same as subtracting. Example, 10 plus negative 3 equals 10 minus 3 equals 7. Both negative? Add the sizes, keep the minus. Example, minus 3 minus 5 equals minus 8. Common trap. Dropping brackets. 6 minus minus 2 must be written 6 minus. Open parenthesis, minus 2 close parenthesis. Quick check. Use a number line in your head. Left is negative, right is positive. 3. Fractions with different denominators. Rule. Make the bottoms the same, then add or subtract. Example, 2/3 plus 5/6. Find a common bottom, LCM. For 3 and 6, use 6. Change 2/3 into 6. Multiply top and bottom by 6, 2 to 4 6. Now 4 6 plus 5 6 equals 1 whole. 9/6. Simplify 9/6. Divide by 3. 3 halves equals 1 and 1/2. Answer, 1 1/2. Subtraction example, 5/8 minus 1/4. Common bottom 8. 1/4 equals 2/8. 5/8 minus 2/8 equals 3/8. Common trap. Adding the bottoms. 3 plus 6 equals 9. Don't do that. Quick check. After converting, keep the bottom the same. Only add or subtract the tops. 4. Simplifying fractions. Goal. Make the fraction as small as possible by dividing top and bottom by the same number. Example, 18 divided by 24. Both are divisible by 6. 18 divided by 6 equals 3. 24 divided by 6 equals 4. So 4, 18 24ths equals 3/4. Another, 45 divided by 60. Both divisible by 15. 45 divided by 15 equals 3. 60 divided by 15 equals 4. 3/4. Shortcut. If both are even, divide by 2 and keep going. Common trap. Stopping too early. Try 2, 3, 5 first. Quick check. If top and bottom still share a factor, it's not fully simplified. 5. Percentages. Increase and decrease. Use multipliers. Increase by 15% equals times 1.15. Decrease by 15% equals times 0.85. Decrease example, 500 pounds reduced by 20%. Keep 80%. Multiply by 0.8. 500 times 0.8 equals 400 pounds. Increase example, 200 pounds increased by 15%. 200 times 1.15 equals 230 pounds. Quick mental moves. 10% equals divide by 10. 5% equals half of 10%. 1% equals divide by 100. Example, 25% of 48 equals a quarter. 12. Common trap. Subtracting 20 instead of 20%. Use the multiplier. Quick check. A decrease gives a smaller answer. An increase gives a bigger one. 6. Sharing in a ratio. Steps: add the parts, find the value of one part, then multiply. Example: share 60 pounds in ratio 2:3. Total parts equals 2 plus 3 equals 5. One part equals 60 pounds divided by 5 equals 12 pounds. Shares: 2 parts equals 2 times 12 equals 24 pounds. 3 parts equals 24 pounds. 3 times 12 equals 36 pounds. Three-way example: 48 sweets. In ratio 3:1:2. Total parts equals 6. One part equals 48 divided by 6 equals 8. Shares: 3 times 8 equals 24. 1 times 8 equals 8. 8. 2 times 8 equals 16. Common trap: dividing by the biggest part instead of total parts. Quick check. Add the answers. They must total the original amount. 7. Basic algebra. Solve for x. Idea: undo what's happening to x in reverse order. Keep both sides balanced. Example: 3x plus 7 equals 19. Subtract 7 from both sides. 3x equals 12. Divide both sides by 3. X equals 4. Check. 3 times 4 plus 7 equals 12 plus 7 equals 19. Works. Another: 5 minus 2, x equals 11. Subtract 5. Negative 2x equals 6. Divide by negative 2, x equals negative 3. Check. 5 minus 2 times negative 3 equals 5 plus 6 equals 11. Correct. Common trap: forgetting to do the same operation to both sides. Quick check. Always substitute your x back into test. 8. Area versus perimeter. Perimeter equals distance around the edge. Add all sides. Units: centimeters, meters, etc. Area equals space inside. For rectangles, length times width. Units squared, centimeters squared, meters squared. Example: rectangle length 10 centimeters, width 6 centimeters. Perimeter: 2 times 10 plus 6 equals 2 times 16 equals 32. 10 times 6 equals 60 centimeters squared. Square example: side 9 centimeters. Perimeter: 4 times 9 equals 36 centimeters. Area: 9 times 9 equals 81 centimeters squared. Common trap: writing centimeters squared for perimeter or plain centimeters for area. Quick check. Perimeter uses plain units. Area uses squared units. 9. Simple probability. Probability equals favorable outcomes divided by total outcomes. As a fraction between 0 and 1. Pause. Example: 3 red, 5 blue counters, total 8. P red equals 3/8. Dice example: even numbers on a fair die are 2, 4, 6, 3 out of 6, 1/2. Complements: if P of A equals 0.3, then not A equals 0.7. They add to 1. Common trap: writing a ratio like 3 to 8 instead of a fraction 3/8. Quick check. Your answer shouldn't be bigger than 1. 10. Metric unit conversions. Key facts: 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters. 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters. To a smaller unit, multiply. To a larger unit, divide. Examples: 2.5 kilograms. G. 2.5 times 1,000 equals 2,500 grams. 150 centimeters to meters. 150 divided by 100 equals 1.5 meters. 3.2 liters to milliliters. 3.2 times 1,000 equals 3,200 milliliters. Common trap: multiplying when you should divide, or the other way round. Quick check. Smaller unit, number gets bigger. Larger unit, number gets smaller. 15-second end routine to avoid silly marks lost. Underline the keyword, area, perimeter, increase, decrease. Write one short step per line. Don't do it all in your head. Look for units and signs. Percent, centimeters versus centimeters squared. Negative versus positive. Last, does the answer make sense? A decrease shouldn't be bigger. Probabilities aren't over 1.